Good morning everyone. Today's class discusses about the trend analysis. In the second chapter of accounting for management, we studied about the analysis and interpretation of financial statements. There are various techniques or tools that are used for analyzing the financial statements. We study there are three techniques. They are comparative financial statements, common size statements, trend analysis, ratio analysis, fund flow analysis, and cash flow analysis. Among these techniques, the first two one, that is comparative financial statements and common size statements, that are studied, we are already studied in the previous classes, and today's class discuss about the third step or the third tool or technique of financial statement analysis, that is trend analysis. In the trend, we all know that trend simply means a general tendency. When we analyze the general tendency, we call it as a trend analysis. When it came to the context of financial analysis, the trend analysis means analyzing the general tendencies in each item of the financial statements on the basis of the data of the base year. When we take the data of a year as the base year, and when we compare these base years data into another years or financial statements years, it is known as trend analysis. When we comparing the past data over a period of time with a base year is called a trend analysis. When we compare a base year's data with another years over a period of time, and this technique or tool is known as trend analysis. Suppose when we are given the financial statement or figures of 3 years, say 2022 2023, and when we take the 2020 as the base year, and this year's figures taken as the base, and another years, that is the 2021 22 and 23 as the compare with these base 2020's base years data, such type of analysis is called a trend analysis. And under this technique, the information of a number of years is taken up, and the each item of the base year is taken as 100. Each item of a base year, when we 2020 say 2020 is taken as the base year, and each item of the base year is taken as 100, and on that basis the percentage for other years are calculated. On that percentage, the other years figures are calculated. And trend analysis helps in understanding the direction in which the organization is moving. It helps more in understanding where the organization is moving, what is the trend going on in the organization. Such type of analysis or financial statement analysis is known as trend analysis. In short, in trend analysis, we take a year's figures as the base year and comparing the past data over a period of time. Okay, and these are the objectives of trend analysis. The trend analysis is used to find the trend or direction of movement over a period of time. The trend, it is used to find out the trend or a direction. Then the next objective is to make a comprehensive and comparative study of the financial statements. It helps to make a comparative study of the financial statements. And the another objective of trend analysis, that to have a better understanding of financial and profitability position of an organization. It helps in know the profitability position or a financial position of an organization. And these are the methods of trend analysis. For the trend analysis, we usually use trend percentages, trend ratios, graphic methods. Among all these, we want to discuss about the trend ratios. And these are the steps or common steps for the computation of trend ratios. The first one is select a year, that is a base year. Generally, the first year is taken as the base year, and take the figures of the base year as 100. Take all the figures of the base year as 100, And in the third step, calculate the trend percentage in relation to the base year. That is done in the following way. Each year's figure is divided by the base year's figure. Each year's figure is divided by the base year's figure. If the amount of the same item in the other statement is more than that in the base statement, the trend percentage would be more than 100%. And if the amount is less than the base amount, the trend percentage would be less than 100%. These are the technique or steps in the computation of trend ratios. I repeat, the first step is select a year as the base year. Usually we select the first year as the base year and take all the years, base years figure as 100. And when we divide, each year's figure is divided by the base year's figure. And if the amount of the base year's figure is less than, or amount of the same item in other statement is more than the base statement, the trend percentage would be more than 100%, and vice versa, it would be less than 100%. These are all about trend analysis. In the coming class, we are further doubt clarification session is there, and after that we want to calculate the trend analysis or trend percentage of some companies. Thank you.